Heyo, what is going on with you wonderful people? Happy Saturday night to you. Good luck, my fellow friends. Let me get this going and get everybody tagged up. Take our time, let everybody catch up real quick, like. What up, Mr. John? Let's see here. Let me get everybody tagged up. I got everybody's names right here. We got David, Josh, John, Jacob, Mr. Jason, Mike and Mike, Bobby, Chuck and Parker, Will, Dan, Joe. We got Will, Dan, and Joe. We got Ryan and Matt. I think that's it. We got a Leo. Alright, you guys. Everybody is tagged up. I need to go and snatch the number of boxes that we got in the gold packs. Good luck, you guys. Hopefully you guys pull something cool. We got a couple chances at it. I like the 2020 throwback. I thought that was a cool touch. We can do that again. I threw up a gold pack with a hobby box of rookies and stars. It actually has a bunch of numbered cards, and with the jackpot, if we don't hit it right here, it's only gonna get bigger. And we're getting closer to the Memorial Day mixer. And it would be nice to hit it there, but even if it's not, hit it in any random break. We got the Zenith break that is about to close up. If anybody wants to get into Zenith, we got this. That just posted. Hobby box, and 3 golds. John hit himself 12 spots there. Right here, Zenith, you guys. We got the Bears, we got the Broncos, and we got the Patriots. And we have a mini of Atlanta. What up, Adriano? We got a mini of Atlanta, top spot. Second spot gets the Cardinals and the Giants. Third spot gets the Houston Texans. And you guys, that's a $1,400 plus cash out. So if anybody wants to get there, help us get there. We got three spots to get off the board. And they're good teams, so that's the kicker. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. That's right. Last night we did 41. So what I'm going to do here. What up, Joe? What's up, Bobby? Good luck, everybody. Somebody's going to advance to the Memorial Day mixer. And if you're a veteran, there's a special giveaway for you guys there. That was a nice mini. That's off the board. That one has some work. You guys, there is, if anybody likes the Falcons, the Broncos, or the Patriots, that's a pretty slick mini for a half a case of Optic. That's off the board. This is the one for Zenith. If you want to get to it tonight, that's a fresh one. Clearly 2 boxer, 2 main spots are being given away there. There's all kinds of ways to get in by just simply being active. That's it. Hell, someone even won a spot from the giveaway. I mean, it is It's there. Let's see which boxes we're going to rip first. Everybody's tagged. We'll go over teams in a second. But we're going top 3. Let me move my controller. What up, Chan? We got 543, which is 12 rounds. Best of luck. That'd be nice if somebody hit a series hit right here. We're getting a little lower on the boxes. We've went 20% down. All right, you guys. So 14, 8, and 21. So we're gonna go 8, 14, and 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just pull that out real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let me make sure those are the numbers. We got 14, 8, and 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Fifteen, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We are right here like swimwear. Good luck, my friends. These are always fun. Good luck. Good. I drove by your house today. That's how close me and Bobby live. All right. Let's go over teams real quick. And at the end of it, I'm going to snatch this list, which is David at the top and Jacob at the bottom. You can't see it, but he's in the 32 hole. I'm going to run the dice like I always do, and I'm going to randomize it. Top spot is going to enter into the giveaway. We got David Miles with the Niners, Josh Falcons, John Colts, David Ravens, Landry Pats, Chester Bills, Miles Cards, Chan Browns, Mike Commanders, Bobby P with the Packers, Martinez with the Raiders, Chuck with the Giants, Parker with the Bengals, Brother Will with the Steelers, Josh with the Texans, John with the Titans, Dan with the Panthers, John with the Jets, Mike with the Broncos. Mike ended up with a handful of spots. Go get him. Dan with the Jags. Nice draw. We got Joe with the Bucks, Mike Haralambus with the Lions, JT with the Saints and the Bears, Hicks with the Vikings, John with the Seahawks, David with the Giants, Matt with the Chargers, Dan with the Rams, Aleo with the Chiefs, Landry, I don't know who you got in the 31 spot. I'll look. Jacob with the Dolphins. I know where I can find that, though. You got the Eagles. Nice. Well, there we go, folks. I tried to call him just to let him know that we're live, but he didn't answer the damn phone. Yeah, you got the Eagles. Let's go, guys. Good luck. Good luck. My friends, my friends, my friends. I have not ripped a 2020 select box in a long time. That's cool. I think I got this at a card show in March. That's why I did it. I usually don't go with my 2020 product. I got a decent amount of it. I do try to keep it for down the road, but you can still buy it. I suppose if I'm replacing it for just what I'm breaking it at, it's all the same. It's not doing any different. Good luck though, you guys. There's autographs, there's short prints all the way down to 1. So, yeah, that'd be insane. That would be absolutely bananas. That would be absolutely bananas if we hit a nuke. Good luck, my friends. Tannehill. Josh Allen on the purple. Concourse Prism for the Bills. Randy Moss for the Pats, and a Josh Allen base. I like that. One of the newer members in the room, he's a Bills fan. I like the Bills a lot. Big Allen fan, really. It's hard not to be. It's hard not to be an Allen fan. Good luck, you guys. No matter how we slice it, we're hitting some good cards out of this break. That is the benefit of this break particularly. No matter how it goes down, some people are hitting some nice cards, and somebody's hitting a big spot in a big break. That is the benefit. Not everybody's a random fan, you know. Not everyone's a repack fan, but the draw and the redraw and the redraw, and then if you get in the double dude, it just goes so much deeper. Oh, damn, I thought that was fucking Justin Jefferson. Oh, man, I was about to get excited for the Vikings. Hey, I'll take a Van Jefferson, you know, his distant cousin. Oh, man, I thought that was a Jay Jettis, but we'll still take it. Yeah, I love die cuts. I love die cuts. I seen Jefferson. I was like, color match. That would be cool. We want to see some colors of the guys who we're really after in 2020. I don't know, though, if you guys would be down to rerun like another 2020 box instead of the Rookies and Stars. The only reason why I thought Rookies and Stars, there's 4 guaranteed hits. Tua, first rookie off the board. Frickin' Fromm. Field level, Jake Fromm. LT, Julio Jones. We could go 2020. Yeah, dude, I mean, really, like, that's the kind of stuff I like. Just because I know good card, no matter what Panini or Topps throws at us, no matter what, there's some nice cards coming, no matter what. There's no way around it. Yeah, I don't mind it, because if you actually land a nice team for $35, not a bad team, right? Let's be honest. That's what sucks about the randoms. But the upside is if you get a good team and it actually works out, then it's awesome. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I just made top 4 in a Josh Allen red, white, blue that I'd really like to, that I would have really loved to have for the repacks, but I didn't hit it. I didn't hit it. I try though. I try. Randy and a Lamar Jackson. Should have a nice Lamar. No, not Lamar Jackson. A nice Justin Herbert headed our way, and a nice Joe Burrow headed our way. And I was supposed to go to a card show, but yeah, there were only 27 tables there, so I wasn't going to drive my happy butt a couple hours away to check out a card show with 27 tables, 11 vendors. That'd be crazy to see a black parallel. I just see all these colors, so you just never know, you know? Lamar Jackson, quarterback. Not the rookie quarterbacks we're looking for. We'll take it, though. Love me some Lamb Jack. He's a stud. Been a fan of him since day one. Since Louisville. Odell Beckham. I forgot about this guy. He's someone who you would pull all the time, no matter what. Whenever you'd be ripping packs in 2020. Jake Fromm, he's another guy that you just happen to always pull. You guys want to switch it up? We're halfway through and bust a repack. Or you guys want to just save them for the end? P. Ryan. Well, Michael P. Ryan, I forgot he was even a rookie that year. CeeDee Lamb, we take it for the Cowboys. We take that. And a Jalen Hurts field level. Nice pack. Nice pack. Save for the end. Save for the end. Someone says the repack. Who had the Cowboys? We take it. And a Hurts field level for Johnny. These cards are just still all in really good condition. What up, JC? Oh yeah, for sure. Russell Wilson, CeeDee Lamb on the base rookie. Russell Russ, Van Jefferson, and a Michael Thomas. Jacob, just so you do know, you have the Dolphins, so you got a Tua, and you have the Bills. Just so you know, buddy. But these were the fun megas to open. I don't know why Panini switched it up. It definitely has to... Ooh, what do we got here? Something gold? Do we have a gold? I don't know, or is it a copper? Let's just get to it. Might be a copper. Might be a gold. Drew Brees on the base. DeAndre Swift. Jerome Bettis. It might just be color, like a color match. Dang it. Oh, man. I really thought we had something cool there. Michael Thomas. Dude. Oh, man. The Van Jefferson. I picked up a Van Jefferson auto helmet. No. Tutu Atwell. But Van Jefferson and those guys, you were pulling them left and right. DeAndre Swift, he was left and right. That's a Lions card. See if it's numbered. We got a purple. Club level. CeeDee Lamb. Yeah, they're just fun to open. I just unfortunately don't have tons of it. But I thought it would be a good way to get a spot off. It would be attractive enough with the repacks and the main spot giveaway to fill. Ooh, we got a white. We got something. Should be numbered. Because it always has to be nice enough to fill. You know what I mean? Like... That's, ooh, Justin Jefferson off the board for the Vikings. Dontavian Evans. J Love. And a Denzel Mims. Damn, I haven't said his name forever. I don't even know if he's still playing. Let's go, J Love. We got a white. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the whites are numbered to 35. Gotta grab some penny sleeves. I believe the whites are numbered to 35. Yeah, Van Jefferson was everywhere. He really was. And this Dontarian Evans guy, he was everywhere too. Michael Carter Jr. No, he was 2021. Yeah, that Dontarian Evans guy, he was everywhere. I can't even... P. Ryan, don't really recall him as much. Oh yeah, dude. See, he was everywhere. Let me just get Denzel Mims over in a rookie sleeve into the side. Justin Jefferson, let's go, let's get it. Last pack magic. And then we're on to the juice. I would love to fill just like a 10 repack box break. That'd be super sick. Ooh, we got 2 whites? No, are these numbered? I swear I thought they were numbered at 35, but if we're getting 2 back to back, there's no way they are. Amari Cooper. Cam Akers, die cut, non-numbered, and a P. Ryan. Okay, so they're not necessarily numbered, but they can be numbered to 35. Because I remember getting one of A.J. Dillon, and I sold it for $80. Those look sharp, man. Yeah, you got to be a fan of the die cut with Select. Some people are, some people are not. I am, personally. I think they look cool. Good luck on the packs, guys. Good luck. I would love to pull a white rookie for somebody right here, preferably a quarterback or a top-notch receiver. I'll even take a Jonathan Taylor. Michael Pittman Jr. Kinlaw, that's actually a pretty good rookie. Die cut Kinlaw. Field level, that's cool. Laviska Shenault, that was another rookie that was pulled all the time. Antonio Gibson, he is a good little player, but he was pulled a lot. Pittman, I had a ton of his rookies. Alright, you guys, now it's time for the juice. I like that Kinlaw, though. That's sweet. Nice little field level for you, Unc. Alrighty, let's go this one first. Get these out of the way. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. And after these, we will run the giveaway, just like I told you. We got a slab? No, we got a one touch. My little son is starting to walk. That's cool. Jonathan Taylor, 5 of 5, bookend on the print. Who had the Colts? I don't recall that. Colts are going out to John Purcell, who's at a Jelly Roll and a Post Malone concert right now. He does not even know that he hit that. Congratulations, John. On to the next one. Definitely not one of the bigger ones in there. Still a nice card. Here is a nice card, I can just tell already. For the Chicago Bears, Caleb Williams. Let's go. Bears are going out to Josh Tappero. Signed C. Will, number 13. Repacks are magic. Let's go. Now it's our last chance to pull a case hit. We got a sideways card. Lions. Aiden Hutchinson to 25 for the Detroit Lions. You guys, those series hits are all still alive. The bigger cards are all still alive. Lions, lucky Lions are going out to Mike Haralambis. Nice hit, Mike. Now what we're all waiting for, we got an on-card Aiden to 25. Jonathan Taylor, 5 of 5. Caleb Williams, auto rookie. Now it's time to get down and see who gets lucky. Let's go, dice. We got 7 rounds, folks. 5, 1, 1. Top spot. Good luck, you guys. Good luck. Good luck. Josh Tappero, number 23 with the Saints on the 7th round. Congratulations. You didn't hit a Saints, but you did get another spot in the big mixer. Congratulations. Let's do a quick little recap. Alright, you guys, here's a couple rookies that will make their way where they need to be. We got Antonio Gibson, Laviska Shenault, LaMichael Pirine, Denzel Mims. These are just some names from the past. Derek Brown and Duntarian Evans. Odell Beckham, Michael Pittman on the die cut, Amari Cooper die cut, Cam Akers, white. Van Jefferson die cut. LaMichael Pirine die cut. Oh yeah, you get 10 of these per box. Russell Wilson, Evans, CeeDee Lamb, Swift, Jerome Bettis, and a Van Jefferson. Kinlaw, field level white die cut. Fromm and a Lamar Jackson. That's a field level purple. Josh Allen. Justin Jefferson, LT, these are more of our quarterbacks. We got a Jordan Love, CeeDee Lamb silver, Tua Tagovailoa, Jalen Hurts, Lamar Jackson, Randy Moss. And our 3 repacks were Caleb Williams, auto rookie, Bowman U. Jonathan Taylor, 5 of 5, Back to the Future, auto. Aiden Hutchinson, we hit 3 autos. 17 and 25 with the on-card. Impeccable. Going out to Brother Mike. Alright, you guys, that'll do it for this one. I will see you live for Zenith. Always aloha from my house to yours. Peace.